does an industrial revolution feel like? Well, just like this. Like this moment, right now. It doesn't feel momentous until we see it in the rearview mirror, and we don't feel its full impact unless we have new intelligence to realize it. Intelligence changes not just how we think, but industry itself and the very products it makes. Intelligence is industry's X, the element that unlocks its full potential. The potential for factories and plants to talk to one another across vast distances, for manufacturing networks to run themselves, for products to be created virtually, to think for themselves, to learn every day. Right now, we have the power to make industry more impactful for the world, more efficient, more sustainable, inclusive, meaningful, and safer. We can drive change, fuel economies, and improve lives. Yes, this is what an industrial revolution feels like. Like the others that came before it, like the promise of technology and human ingenuity. First, we help you see it. Then, we help you seize it. So you can always be ready for change, change that is here today. Welcome to Industry X.